By the way, no matter what you believe in, there is a fundamental truth that you cannot escape, and that is that every single thing in existence comes from the source of creation. Your body comes from the earth, which is made up of all these elements, which come from what? Come from space, come from stardust, come from gases, which is energy. And energy is what? Neither created nor destroyed, coming from the source of creation itself, an eternal constant in this universe. No matter what you believe in, no matter what ideals you have, every single thing's true nature is a source of creation. And by that fundamental truth, we are all innately connected. And every single thing, down to its deepest core, is the same thing and is deserving of the same love and respect and reverence as any other. Much love.